Apostle way. When I quab and I'm sent a console, again, she attack. I promise you, him in tea. And I was in your country and came. Yes, some in the crack. I pass in the crack. Papa. I'm not Apostle way. I was sent a console. Apostle, my watching.
Made you so engineer.
My quabanso.
Yeah, near
the concert to sing.
Our body and Adumo.
Shalom, shalom.
Yahweh, shalom.
Amen.
Peace, FM.
Was mine. Oshebria coming to them now. Abona 9 hours from Gifia. Peace on 4.3. And a prince, I sent Shabium, said Diana no. And then she or see didn't come on, name a Bible Shada Casa. And with your drama, my elder mom permanent and shady and by you.
And a J. Bombay would you so many already.
Okwankyerefo utumi botumi nyina so Israel Nyankopon asedanka wodin and ano paye de aseda so nko emam ogye so nko awde agye yen si ekoda se dufochie ne esore no obasa kase ekotem inshiranka wodin da ye genda dwumedi nyina shan so Israel Nyankopon adesede kase ense be yo potitenafo wako abekasa fanim papa ye so sama utumi na ho ne papa eni akire wako anso papa wode nsem papa ebebisa wako anso ehya wonsa adwenya nsan ye wode romzi afa tomo no do tim papa emunsan sam ne ntimi ya no papa emanda samba wo sana kase musun kan wiase nam enansem pai so etimenya nkwagya me kra utumi ebutumi nyina so nti agifo nyankase amen
amen
yo adenya menshira
Peace FM
yo ada ankomo ho na ankomo ankamede ba no me amadwe na sesa
okay
masesa papa because na me hwede ekoya na say me nsem me kire madwe ene say amamo yomi Ghana ha yetie amamo pa sa amamo ye dibu man e wo mebre ya chichem ye wo president nankasa na de wo ho ene ye wo amanyefo no so de wo ho ene ye wo judicial for omo atemwofo no so 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 kan ho bi na omo nyina se ye fana se nyina etumi ni Nyankopon de ama wo mu na omutumi no sa atemwafo no judges no
yeah
omutumi no metu say different omu frase wo Nyankola bremu say lawyer sa na de akoya atemwafo na de na eno na hu say different omu de na modru pa emodru na emu yedri Nyankopon so sabi atemwo na ya obu no osi ewiye no atemwo ho kese ne mpawuo
yeah
na owuche no atemwo ho na wewuo wu asa okuhye Nyankopon na enya nwuye nso de se yete ha enya nwuye ho na obo yaten agi wo mu a yesa na no nko bi koye yesi bibi di ayi gi ho atremu ntitrefo ena data 8 ni data 13 na omunyina afa yo ndina de ya enti omu na ebu yaten omu na omu chese omu gina omu Nyankopon
kese pa
so ampa se sa temufo no Nyankopon na omu edi omu esi ho e wo ne din mu asase we so ana se omu atumi so e na omu di gina mu na omu gina mu tumi so a na omu di bu aten nti asotwe bi wo ho ma omu
okay
so we you atemwo ho every so me hu so mu charge you mu charge ansa na ye boten enti mpese me hu so ampa se wo mpese me koye bi
ompese koye bi
me me hu no sin so na nsa akra
ansa na wo tibeji wa du dia ship
was hu pa so mu gina mo Nyankopon asase we so na se de
yo akwapano kwafo nyini asem kese no agaba beto but Nyankopon o hwe obi aso
nyame na hwe
nyini a topic bia
na chese meto ase Nyankopon sika obon na twa
yeah
Nyankopon na che
yeah and topic here dia beto yi ye fa say the three arms of government untimi nyi judicial nya dey every it is even say chemical executive assembly yet to make a legislative some the IS yet to make a judicial because I am answer. Yes, and you know, I don't get a Bible in the praying in the world. And the topic here, the other the 3 arms of government now. As I say, you need to give Massa and Yamamia, a friend saying, a Kumian sign.
Every crown of communities are a Bible move.
Oh, you are no name, will be crap as Okoyebi. Obo on the Zua, or Nims share one. Tell me, Okoyebi. I tell you, Nettie, be one. One year, says the country now go down natural.
Say, you charge.
Oh, what charge? And you know, see, typical politicians are some dear, and you also problem. Whoa.
Now, lawyer will charge you already. Oh, yeah, charge it. Now, oh, charge you, Buadai. Attain. Atentini, and I unko the Odip Bimun for. And me charging.
And just another jet money about no. Oh, it's the 3 arms of government, no. I am Muchiamian, I am Muchia, the same Muchia, yes, away Jadia. San Pepati, when I make a quotation, never, you're some 11 verse 3. Psalm 11. Verse 3. Bible says.
What is he saying? I saw na.
Say, and you know, so me and some way say, "Say no."
Or 3 ni be yedeng.
Why not 3 ni organ of you? Nimia. See, saying you know, so me and some way ya. Executive problem about. Yes, uba call. Yes, kata shepi o. Oh. Ukongra legislative yes kata. And so I then. I was prayer. Near be judicial not prayer or. And you know, so me in some way. What's it then?
What is he saying? I saw
me saying, I saw me and say,
or 3 ni by
and feel what 3 ni were him.
Yes.
Nay, say, yes, sir, or man, yet, Timono, or man, I say, look at him. There's so many more to you. When you position to say, you know, now carrying a memoir, not a memoir, I say theocracy government. You can't say theocracy government. Theocracy government, now a system of government in which God is the ruler. Sabre no Yankopon the rule nipa. It a king ahinie. Ana asofo na akwaya difo. Ano no rule o man fa so. Na waba eye judicial judges. Atemufo. San perform yense no Yankopon rule o man fa so. Ana Israel fo no ko prayer eye say no Yankopon yi asofo de on free.
I'm
hard. Oh, no see when you na onyango boy yes hade no o ma yehunu nyema bakian
ono a train
o train nyema bakian se muyi mi free ho a sabre na somewhere you differ e dey differ no kasa direct cheki no na ho popo to ni say assembly free nyango panchan straight e be wura yinfie e be wura castle na president the ho put the dending e be say nyango pon na den akasa
na ase sabi uko krasia ye wo man konfo
ha
konfo no sharia obeka bia
na nya se biaka eti se bibi na besi wo man mu ana okape e se yitu na man fast
tentem
anu to man giga is no mo prema nya go panya sa je bio tu kan ye ko Samuel say yes
e bia na mo so mo de adwin fam
nipa na ko pray no chair the battery what yen point mati ye can 3 amps no ye can yen sani nyina wa asem kakra na fe point na dia ba na ye pie e so bia wo problem bible na medical quotation o se nyina so me yen sani se ya
o training by
den nyina so me yen sani se ya se ye ni didie wo amamuom ye ni didie wo e friend say parliament na se ye ni didie so court so a de fe ye gira bia ne say Yaira.
Yes.
Obia be do pe.
The crib.
Yaira Bible nyama Bible nko. Yanko Samuel, 1 Samuel chapter 8. Maunya yanko.
1 Samuel chapter 8.
Koso.
Verse number 4. Israel for chapter hene.
Israel for kwa pe hene.
is there penifoni nyina hia ba Samuel nchen
omo nyina si mu ba Samuel nchen
ewo rama o meka kire ne se
no meka kire ne se
hwe waba akora o ma anso amfo et afesi ohima o mu ya tensa na man asam na so Samuel so mo ka kire ne se o si ohina no mo maten et Samuel ba wura dem paye e wade ka kire Samuel se Samuel tie di oman no ka ene di oman ka kire wo nyina efise enye wo no mapo eye me no mapo eye me nyankopon na miru oman ne fa wo Samuel so e so mo so mo mpawa me no mapo me sebe me ni wo so hene o de enkwai woni ya wo ye free adam yi o mu nyina bedru ni o ma ye nyeme bi ma me hu se nipa de pese me nyankopon me kasa wo ma me kasa che wo bi afa na mahunu mo so ban afa na mahunu wiase o man so ban etitie wom etudie tie wom na ka kire wo se o hiro obedi mo so hina se mo se mo president abedi mo so dia yeni na temode wani nta temode ode baba na o man na so asori tase enye yizo o ma ye practice de nam town
o mo ye demonstration yenti ase ye Samuel yetunu peja practice de ding o mo ye ku Samuel must go we want president Samuel must go o mo kasa che Nyankopon se Samuel tie wono wo de tie won na ka che om se o hiro obedu om so no se musumo pa bi abedi mo so dia weni na tamudi a o de bedi mo so obewuru mu ade obewuru mu no share the rules and the regulations awo de beba mu nie obefa mo mama ene mo tie se no pango setefo obefa mo bibia mo japade free wo moto ne tie se ne mamirika ne fei sabi o ka akwa de yet makra ye bejo tax obefa mo mani bi de frafo obefa mo mani be free man ye be use am free obebe bi ni ma ye panotofo bi be ye do ma ye do ye ntrom ka obefa mo bebetru mu na ni ade nyina mu tuso du bebetru aye ni aba ye die nyina ne aban be giafa wo de wi bunku taba hwe koko o ka sa boy to na mo na nu ne bi twa koko akua de bi Hallelujah. Where you higher infa. Friends are him for side no. Presidential way no. Juma mudi no. Obeti ba you. Ombeji ye betro. Ombeji nyina so taxes akese no me begu yan so. Wo ba be fa mo nko na mo mfuna. Wo fa yankwa da fa yankwa e be full soldiers. Mo be yan nkoa be yan nkoa tide bia na tension wo man so e da no be suma frame awurade no post that dey nya ba dey mo be suma frame so man start yesu yes and then your member in president bia ba no be start so ye beto ba na ye bompa
mo bro wu fuje me kama fu ni start year to one day obegedi be si wani so am wani so pa wo man
na kese we nyina no e wo hodada wo nyaminu anim se sade wo nyina wo
wonim se ye nde kwa praise ye mpe to ye wie no no so okay sanete de babu de kai
was eda no ye obedi bu so tamudi enti mo be so fe me awurade
be so no awurade
na so miri muam
na so muaye
no man am panara
man no amprio
ena o man tie sama na so
someone must go
ka je so so hin ma wo
and so on president ma wo yeah and you know
yes
ya kasi ya ka to so na topic na dia ban eti enen na go pam mi am ye hu si ya problem our one side
yes
ye ba ko no so politicians so amu so problem amu so dey ma ye ni amu so nyini ya nyisa ni nyanka
osman
be mo atwa ba ma no am fi obiom
dabi
wow eti say ye wi anya ba judicial
yes
amu so dey ni wo mu
judicial
politicians no
aja wadu ala mu wom
omu so ho
omu wom papa
nyame nim di so mi so omba dada
omu wom yankwa we Isaiah chapter 1 verse 17
verse 17
kwa
yeti awrade yankopon asam wose yeti awrade yankopon asam wose munhia bapayo munhia atentene montriti omimfo munima wisia monprenyina kunafo
na komo wo parliament komo pre so beka samayen dia ka akotia dia akoma mo no dia yeah Fine so dia jira no dia manyi seni nyanka Why not so be diamond? Why not so be diamond? Obiakasa in the name of the party.
Look at them.
Debbie. You be don't cast in the name of so all she say a man for being tina be war.
Debbie.
No more in the name of the party.
Look at them.
Right? We are not safe.
Debbie.
Let's say for to be able to change and patch it.
Yes.
So in fact, Christmas will run no catch and qua. And no one so bumpers was some unya some cockot. Debbie. Unya some police.
Debbie.
So man pabum ya dini.
Yes.
Every say me judicial now with the bamun. A very dangerous. I mean for politicians then 20. What the 23 not politician yan back pure.
23.
123.
Was almost at for
and no man so at for no.
Oh my man so chief for man so chief for.
What is the idea? Party in yay. And so be back the channel by tracing. I can say ya. And ya. So straight and dumb. Look at it. And so be to be fire by yet to say ya.
Yes.
No. And so straight and dumb. Look at it. And so politician back to say, or by fire by yet to say ya.
Yes.
That's one yay.
That's one yay.
Debbie.
Ninya Jenny say. The American quantity be a topic. I mean, of any film because they're 3 ounces no, and I hear Kawasam.
Yes,
to see a Kawasam dia, and you yes, will be between you 2 quarts of bread, not the car that bar, never pot. No one thing near Bocan washing. Now come on, washing many Pakuna.
Na Kobania fat.
More shit many Pakuna. Now what you washing need to be with Tibia, or because a car engine them, because a car, the price, or because a car in the ties.
Debbie.
Now don't come wapa 30 million 3,000 2,000 1,500. Let me tip you say na engine them.
What hambo baby ya.
Engine that can na can so our ties.
Na so ansa no udwe ni pa no.
Oni ni pa no. Wow.
Do I say for na ma
so ma for na dani ma so tefo.
I would differ now.
Yeah, dani would differ now for.
When you pa dem dia.
When you pa dem dia.
We dey ketie.
Obi ketie me say this year ya 30 year. Ya bo bi din and uncle office na kra no. What the case is contain be 3 on team.
Yes.
Na so
uncle office.
Okọ kra na omu otwetwiska. Hwe asem bi kra madwem. Sa asem manfo no. Ya omu 2 DC fo aba no.
The president you cry better to so aba.
Sa nkrofo no wo se from ye pass me ka kire wo.
Asem
na nsen ye maponko. Ye interview no. Wo se sika wo twa ye no. Sir. Ye bo ho no.
Just president you ba kra no a.
Enye sika ketwa.
Yes, so aba no anu so no.
Ye bo ho.
Ti de bi kwa ne, e bi nya 1% de bi so yes ye ampa no
2%.
Na so no wan tua na no tua ne ya di.
Obi ko first run na otuminya say wonya hwe ya pam no okose kan na ya to man 100%.
Na za wono akọ
okotua
nti na sa sam man fo na to sa aba no
asem fo na to sa
na so mo no mo gigi ses kan no
mo so mo ba ya tuoi mo de afia nketenkete kura no esmo ho ya nyemo hwe mo de okoto bi de na okogiska
o be bi asa de kika ko okay o be ya mesin ko redia nyankopon e kafa judge ne lawyer yanko babu mu yama babu nkasa yawere chokronko kan ha yanko enwasem bi wo Proverbs chapter 22 verses Proverbs 22 verses
chapter 22
yama judicial
vest masses
yama babu nkasa fast yanko
vest masses yeti awanya ko pa
aso nkasa
vest masses
even okay quotation man okay is here
Proverbs 22
no Proverbs 22 ka quotation man yanko kan Exodus chapter 18 verse 21
Exodus 18:21
verse
21 osina wonso
onyango bona ga wonso
yi oman ni mu nyina emara
ma wase si yi oman mu mema
a mo yadi
o mo dini
na mu suo nyankopon
nyina ti ayo si yi obi se be lawyer be judge be magistrate bible se men kan chaw say ye yi a ye hwe ni ye any
wono suo nyankopon
wono edan
wo suo nyankopon
wono edan
wo suo nyankopon
wono wo suo nyankopon
no mo ya no kwafo
no mo ya dai
anokwafo
me na mchogu babu no me ye pretty press and the babu nkasa
no nya sikane bre
no mo ya dai
sikane bre o mo na mo famu susu o mo so
jawa Omo ye fo munni o. Uda ha babu num
empempem so pani.
Ye jomu di empempem so pani.
How so pani?
How so pani?
Aduanu so pani. Odudu so pani.
To the committee your Supreme Court, your High Court, to the wall.
No more money.
No more money then. I want to claim. Name first to me, kind of first, oh, put ya. You are Trabuna. You are Trabuna. Wow. Get in your hand and you're something your way. You're Peja, you're the caucus, Sana, high, or Casavia Supreme, or Casavia. Asa. Wow. Bible say, Yengi. Never put a channel, grow for a quiet tenuti. And you are in a Debbie. Debia. Never misring me. Never person black and training. Tell me quiet. Yes. Never Nina Debia. Never Copesica. Debbie. I said so for the. Oh, my goodness, is also with you. No one you know who tired. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah. How many know? How many know who there? Let them so you know. You can't send me. Yeah, second verse chapter 19 verse 5. Second Chronicles 19 verse 95. Etifias about how you know who that you was a senior one to say, I send you one day. And she say, I'm trying. Debbie, me a pretty press. Debbie, men and pretty Bible. Debbie, and your Bible say, was it? Was to see at them for us as a Bible that was almost to see at them for us as a you didn't create a thing. I'm not to see you also. I know catch at them for the young catch at them for the say, Mushed your Muyoni, Mushed your Muyoni, if you say, and you need Panamu, Panamu Buddha, a Tayamano, and you need pa. And I'm moving what I am. Nemo meal that day. Nemo meal that day. Minimo who are Tamoism. What you're going to so no. Yes. Do it, Siano, who's a watchiano. I saw few. Hey, who and some I say, I'm a mother. Me who not jump on your upon you and some Mushamu, didn't go from Lord. No. Yes. So many more. So Lord.
Yes, my Lord.
Ube fa Lord dia we nyakopon sia na mu no ube fa Lord dia se utrim ya ode ade ba kwa ye dey chese e ma e court e hu kase ne se nyinia so you be ajoso ya ka wo court now sorry 10 times who sorry bebu mu bobo mu be sutrasi o kwadwo so bana se uramu so abesa hedan abomu ase tese o nyakopon ne te konwa mu no yes hey eduma wa anu ade o yes kebabu no mama me hu entram ho si ma onu nyakopon ntia mu na mo hweye na mo nyo no mo hweye no mo nya dwuma no every say enye ni pa na bobu atama no enye ni pa no mo nya kenya bobu na se obetra konwa no no bu atama no ano se mo metram na mo nyama no wasuma enjo na no adire kebabu no me nyakopon na bobu atama me nyakopon twedi ampo no mo bu atama no na me ready nyakopon nti ya say nyina topic na de bae o se bible na nkasa nti bible ya de den ya de kasa ti se bibi go bi nti bibi ase ache bible
we ni kwa nka ni yie mu a nka ye sure wo mu a ko se esa quotation nka ye kan che wo mu
e kan quotation che wo
e kan che wo mu se ka chi tie
na wo nkwa sori nyina wo nkwa sori atofo ye nsu adwumani
e bia ne ya
atofo se be nyame adwumani yie en obi en preach say drama sorry ya and if you preach what radio so said the would way about to a church and you Bible principles no na toja me say tension no just like how and one year cost to better but to be ba no be preaching and na no you see on the prayer camp and na you say and the man you be so kata yes
so on na you see otua
ayo
otua skandi
what you sika nyango ponse dwe tua na be say what the young kwani ama ho what the young kwai
was me na me bu atama me
onu nyankopon no bu atama
na onyankopon
no onu nyankopon
enkontopo de ni muhwe
enkontompo ni den ani muhwe
ene muaje ene mi fam
bribe no muaje no
eni mi fam
opesa
ati so ko tre konya no so na ukoje bi pa wafum o ma nyankopon age bribe
yes
ukoje ni pa ni pa wafum nyankopon kwan no
yes
wo de nyinia ya ma bible ni kasa wa kai quotation na me ha diwa Exodus chapter 25 verses Exodus chapter 25 verses to 8
Exodus 25 verse number 6
asabri ya me da dodo kan yanko 23 Exodus chapter 23 be slamo tefo
Exodus 23
quotation na those we blom timtino Exodus 23
verse number 6
verses to 8
yete bra nyakopon asem
ngasa
wose enane umobroni asemani
wose be nane umobroni bi asemani
awatamum to umfi atrosam kwa chirichiri
we jaja
Enkum de onya boni biara.
Hwɛ no amma yɛnkum obi a ɔnyɛ bɔne biara.
Ɛne otiri ne ni.
Hwɛ no obi a ɔdi bem no. Hwɛ ne wa ma na nkɔda fiase.
Efisɛ me mu ɔbɔneɛfo pem da.
Ɔdi ko ɔno trɛ konwa so paa so wɔ bu atanya ɔmu bɔneɛfo bem da. Identity na judge. Wa na sɛ wokɔbu krɔmfo ne bem. Wa twitwa kwakɔ no bɔ.
Hwɛ na wagya yɛyɛ deɛ.
Hwɛ wanyɛ yɛyɛ deɛ.
Efisɛ ayɛyɛ deɛ no. Ebɛfra w'ani.
Rumpa woyɛ gyegye bɛfra w'ani ama fɛ wohwɛ kɛtɛ no kora wohwɛm.
Na kyerɛ sɛ ayɛyɛ deɛ no ebi ne mpɔnkye no.
Mpɔnkye no. Quotation bɛ flow wode nya abotrɛ nyɛ ne na ɔmo start gye.
Amuji akyɛ.
Wode yɛ ba
sɛ na sɛ deɛ sɛ nyɛ wɔn wa.
Yidɛ edu a Awurade ka mi am quotation baba.
Banfo nyina gye bi. Amuji akyɛ.
Ayɛ kyɛ sɛ wode yɛ kɔ
What's ayɛdeɛ
no
efiri ni pɛ
ɛbɛfrɛ w'ani ma fa wohuru deɛ sɛ ɔbɛma woanyɛ nea ɔbɛbu ɔbɔnefoɔ no bɛm
ɛti hwɛ na wankyia ɔtiri ne nsɛm
wankyia wɔtiri ne nsɛm nyini a nkurɔfoɔ a wɔremind obi wɔ m 6 years yɛtumi ɔno a yɛngyɛri no
dabi
ɔno a yɛngyɛri no
dabi a
kɔbla saa kɛkɛ
yes
kwan na ɛyɛ saa deɛ no ɛyɛ Nyankopɔn na ɛyɛ
dabi
ɛyɛ Nyankopɔn na ɛyɛ
dabi
wodeɛ yɛnkɔ Deuteronomy chapter 16 verse 18.
Deuteronomy chapter 16 verse 18. What's atemufoɔ?
What's hifoɔ?
Atemufoɔ.
Me na me try.
Dabi.
Me printing press. Me na printing Bible.
Dabi.
Bible say me kasa.
What's atemufoɔ?
What's atemufoɔ?
Any atemu ho asam.
Any atemu ho dan. Asam. Any unyini a wo aba no. Pa.
What is this you so atemufoɔ?
Any point say ono no ma yesisi yeso atemufoɔ.
Any mpanimfoɔ.
Any osisi mpanimfoɔ ma yɛn.
Ewo kura bekom nyina mu.
Bia mu tie wo. Kura bia mu. Region bia yɛ obi ho. Kwai.
No fa tentre ni mu aten.
Oso mo fa de ni mu aten. Atentene ni no mo fa mu aten. Kwa.
Mo na ne atemu ani.
Oso mo na ne atemu ani.
Ehwe di panim enja demodeɛ.
Mo hwe di panim nyi dan.
Ademodeɛ.
Asi mesi we de ni papa no ye minister. Minister ba. Akotwe se kan. Akotwe chobi. Minister ba ko wure po bi. Minister ba. Na we na nasi mesi we ba. Ana jase hin ba. Ana we ba. Eti we just Bible the kasa no akọ.
What say? Mo na ne atemu ani.
Mo na ne atemu ani.
Mo hwe di panim nya demodeɛ.
Mo hwe di panim nya demodeɛ.
Ademodeɛ fra nyansafo ani.
Ademodeɛ ni timi fra nim nyansa betire fra wani na wo hu no kra wo no kra nanim. Kababunum.
Endane atene fo ensam ani embutu.
Ɔsɛ mo hwe no na ne atene ni asɛm na embutu. Ubutu asɛm no. Ɛna obi docket na tinya yira court. Yɛde na yira. Ai, wo de kasa ngenko.
Asantini echi na muni.
Asantini echi na muni.
Na mama nyankwa.
Wɔn sɔ di bibia sɔ. Ɛna bɛ mo nya dɛ. Ɛnkwa. Eti sa nkɔ se yia. Ɛnkwa ne baba.
Dabi.
Nipa wie nya fɛ. Nipa wie nya fɛ. Leviticus 19:15 ya radio.
Leviticus 19
verse 15.
Verse 15.
Wɔsi bin kasa.
Was encha atemu mu kontompo.
Atemu mu kontompo. Pa.
Nhwɛ mo broni ani.
Nhwɛ mo broni ani. Pa.
Na enye de Ebeso otumfo ani.
Me nye de ebeso otumfo bi ani. Ena pa me ye we de from we order from above. Di ahweni anya we ndi ebe we. O se benye sa ye in the name of Almighty God.
Enye de ebeso otumfo ani.
Enye de ebeso panyi bi ani, upanyi bi ani.
Na emo no. Tene mu. Ana bu nonko aten. Me na sure Bible no. Dabi.
Tu papa ye judge tunufo.
Yes.
Who tell me now we judge so atika dem tie ni ye. We ya lawyer, wo so twa we ye. Lawyer mi didi ha. Ai. Wo do demutam, wo be wan so woni ni opo na woni ye we. Oni na lawyer kasa. Wo.
Yes.
We are here wo.
Dokure.
We are lawyers ne so quotation beba. Ni a che lawyer say wo lawyer wo your kamafo, kasa mafo. E ma hwan ya. Do nim kasa.
Yes.
The quotation baba we dey ento aso. Yenko. Me ran fin kwa dia. Yan asem bi wo. First Deuteronomy chapter 10 verse 17 to 18. Where a warning. A warning. Quotation where a warning. Yan Bible says.
Deuteronomy 10. Verse 17.
On say that.
What's na Awurade Onyankopɔn?
What's Awurade Onyankopɔn?
Oye nyame mu Nyankopɔn.
O che saduati o. Oye nyame mu Nyankopɔn.
Eni Awurade mu Awurade.
Anu say Awurade mu dan Awurade.
Oye Onyankopɔn kɛseɛ.
Oye Nyankopɔn kɛseɛ.
Oye otemufo ani hu hu.
Ɔso wɔno na nkɔyɛ dan.
Oye otemufo
ani hu hu.
Onhwɛ ni panim wa. Nyo bi ɔkyɛ demudeɛ.
Ɔno so nyo bi ɔkyɛ demudeɛ tu.
Ɔno obu atɛmɛ wisi ne kunafo.
Ɔno obu atɛmɛ wisi ne dan kunafo. Ɛnɛ krani bi ni kuawu. Ama na sase obi gye dendenden. Ɔwɔ sikanti ya gye fe krani ne nsam. Ya gye fe krani ne nsam. Nsam ha. Da se bi tibi kwa da kwa tu say simple.
Simple.
nyame ekame kwa me court kokoi prison awaye ma ni pebi guon mo omo nsam ni nyensem yase kedom koto wa wia wia aburo simple free kokoma kumase enwura nkwa abitom nkotwa tire kase ma no bro chana
obedo
say ni pawe ya bro onwie bro wa mba
na bro na opedia
bro na opedia bro enti ka nani bi wa simple wa quotation be bro wa ka bit me quote aba bechere but me nyam na meche me wa wia body a simple we nyim hunya se body adro ba pa we tini adu bi ko no ye ko ka tuwe kesama nya ko pa modo ama dia body no chana
so atwebidi
daddy ye di come mi se nyanka wo de bi bisa question o man state farm wa hin state farm o man fu wa hin man fu wa hin ye ni o man ko wi kokko lo nka ba kwa ni amu ado kokko fo e kasa sha na fe wu sia kokko abegani
nkani your mind dia
ya wu sia kokko abegani
yes
wu so bi kokko boto si wa wu se kokko boto wo tam ni a chiw se gom o ko do 10 acres wa sha nai tu sia kokko ne si wa ma na he di na wo ko si we si wa sa do 10 acres ni no wow tu wa body no bi ko 3 years no be we akoko ba ko simple ya mania balape poti fan bi obi ya mo akoka o ko wi aponchen ni ya mo akohwe nkwaye mponche omo wo ya chese so hwe mponche omo wo 10 omo 50 shem na wo di 10 mponche bu no hwe mponche twabua aduane mo mudi simple ti ebesha na am simple no they go big body but body keke no koje no obi atwese sikap mo bi adu be kwa amro baby ni yonko ni judge bi
yes
to no tifiente ya che na pe no afelo
hello
Jeva design
boko
achi boys ni trio
da ben
na nkwa ni pa
amudam kwan
yes amudam of course we na me sure say me ni panye ba kwa kasa ro se ba o se bawrum 8
mate ode ka akoma to ya
diwe na ye na boys
anapa ba 9 no ma ba fie
all right la frère amro ba panye
yes
ni yonko ti enne kwosui enyinya wo wiase wo tie mi dam se pompa se gwade ma wonya sam nko
dabi
kopie court
dabi ya
kopie police station
na sam sukwa no ho amutie o wenya kwa no obenyaw
asam ni asam nipa enti ompa ne se wo ma ompa bo ya tere aso nipa hwe nya go pachiri kwan e bi se wo nya go podi e sha onsa no ye dodo na suro nyame no omo nya post
dabi
o ma ya judge da
dabi
ye won so nyame no ho ombe yo nya omba do so nyame no ye taa no do ye ne kwantre ne so no ye taa no and na fan bi wa ye fan so do ne nkwa ba ho Bible ka wasam wo je me pese bi ma Bible ne kasa we ye nkowe asemi kai quotation we me ne yanga bi wa kai quotation we me ne yanga bi do na kwa sori asoro mo ko trasa dem na wo so for be preacher and am lawyer master dem na mo judge master dem afuto be na dia tunu afuto be na ye kai quotation ye ko 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 5
2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 5 verse 5
and then nyam so bla ya so Bible say
what what can woni mo chenya so mpa
nyam chenya so mpa
na so mo pa mo
ahode apam wodin nsama de asi adi ya adwuma ye fa no nya adwuma e Kristo suma kata yani ana nya Kristo ni ye gidini ni pantimi kasa mi ye nyanka ni nyam sumi ni mintimi nya obone obano ye obone
yes
obano odi wa upa mi nyam sumi ni no opraw ye ma Bible nkasa ye gina wa ye ko asem bi e wo ye friend say Jeremiah chapter 9 verse 12
Jeremiah chapter 9
this no man ko na wie
verse 12
this no man ye hu ye wa
ye tebra dia sa
Bible say nkasa
I know banyansafo a
why no ye banyansafo a
obeti ye ase
obeti de OKOH AGYEMANG kan
I know radio no kasa cheno
I know radio no kasa cheno beti ya ka de ginya ade ba ye asa ka we obi o ka friend ya ka de topic a we boss no odwane nyako pasuma when in some say ye de to man no man no bia woni dibre say ye dibre ni hye bia ye de ma bia no e wo chokunkun no na ekita implication
yes
kebabu no
e de tina asasina say
obi say question nyako pon say de ti no man ye ti man say ye okoko ye otima ye bauxite manganese banchen abayire kotomire ye wonchen ye akoko ye say okobi ye wonri e wo Ghana memo anu de na bo Ghana
wo nyina so abroche bi ni ho
baby what can't be in Japan your mind Ghana of 50 resources nyako pa do ya chain and say dey no man Ghana yen aso who ka ba no say Japan we nyina o man Ghana wan ye bread den ye bre pa adentia obi university onya dwuma nya nan say wa efe and oton do no so na just one turn and say first no did na dwon ono so nyawo a wan ku anfo anyi sakawa no te so pewe praw
the kabunum e date na say asese
say o man na tim no asese
obi anfa so
say o man Ghana power operation feed yourself o ban me mi sigi hu no hwe kra no na wo da chi edu ni ba chisi ye ka ba global mankania ye to talk and na banka wutu a ye mfian kababu ni yankwa
what a renya go pose
and ye yapen tutu a and ka first ka body and so that time and ka hunu apema hu sa apemi hu apento hu sa apento na apento da na apem be say apento da na apem na apem be say kababu ni yankwa
what a brother say
what then
what time me nantia
ye jane mra no na go 40 radio so babu kete say emra sam go atwam na de nyemfa mu aten
when Timmy Yankupo,
young Pissy a bit Bruce, no, Yankupo Jamaiano, one and Timmy Payment, young Pissy a bit and Tinyaku Parkman, waiting on my pay to waiting a year we are one no. Waiting year we are one no.
Yes,
and
no big grand now will be when your problem can separ. Garden now big car Bobby, Nanny Pana Pra, no Yare. That's a copy of the Bedia in Tamaka, Scali Bias and Yadiano. Now, I send a different out. Boko tell me Panafa.
Insurance Nafa.
Insurance Nas, I just say, oh, yeah, net of Kino Sopa, Raya do from, and I had done your papa, and I had done a weird year before, and I had done a would say, now we age, yes, one look pa. Na kwa 19 bibi na kwa 25 chawajola. Yes, 19 something about no. Yeah, disqualify. No my first can on for satem woni ho. Wo dey mababa ne nkasa nyanko. Ye me dey chokonko kan ha. Ka Samuel ebedi ade. Samuel, odi for Samuel. Obedi ade. Engineer. Na Samuel oh yeah, ade papa. Samuel, now some Samuel dey baba no. Ma me kan quotation we mra. Ye kwa Isaiah 58, 59 verse 13 to 14. Ne fe be for Samuel dey mra.
Isaiah chapter 59 verse 13 yete radiasam wose ya tawari Nyankopon mra
wose ya tawari Nyankopon mra
ye tane kontompo
ya tane Nyankopon kontompo
ya paye Nyankopon achi ye kasanse so ne fonso kasa
ne pa bia na no kasanse so
yesu atosam wo yakoma mi
no ba betia kwanya mu nyina wa so atosam wo ne trim ana odi bebu aten no
atemu asan kwa chirichiri
na atemu asan kwa chirichiri
kana ne so akwa gina chirichiri
atemu asan kwa chirichiri asanu kwa chichi
no crash has wo
no crash pie then ashias wo dom
dia trint mem no crash ade ahunya na
no crash ade ahu din wo Ghana mem ano
obebi otwe ne wo firi ho
na wo abai wa bi so odi no crash be yaduma no
ye fom ne fa
wo aduma mu abenya problem
yes
the lawyer judge bi owo judicial nu odi no crash yaduma no problem ya won kofo bi ate omo ye Christopher a omo po mo anu a omo di nsam no crash but sankofo no omo di bre ne gosi
yeah ma
udibre ni fon yekosi
unemu saa
untini contract mu da so da and no man be ko bi so jeje kwatra na nkofo di kwasa no start jeli o mrofo hey na jeje oba kromu ano hey
hadwin
jeje oba kromu ano wow udi ema babu ne nkasa ye babu ne nkasa yen kan chokunku kai quotation ma me na me hwe de Proverbs 22:22
Proverbs 22
Proverbs 22:22 to 23
22 yeti araja ko pa was in tamubroni ajo
men tamubroni ajo
efisa oyi mobroni
so oyi mobroni ye bisa ni bibia wa je bibia mfa menti
hwene wan chanajo entiete omanunfo so e wo
kura omanunfo bia se bi o pagefo efisa araja ko pone do masama o bo be do masama ma o da chi o
se wo fo mo fa
o masa ni pa no kodam no ko wu ha
Ebrado so be phone so krafa.
Chawaju. Abi na mchugu babu. Me printing press. Why you post so be proud?
Obe
proud. Obe proud. Yemi say ade we no say e ka say enyawo e tiri be nyawo ba. Why innocent? Obe ni we wo hwe. Papa wu twasa boni ato ma obe.
Yes.
Ebi so bi enya fe.
Dabi.
Wo obe wu nya stroke o twasa be ne nsa we. No twasa be. Usia na o kodifa nso na benkum no ne ndan okọ okotwa U10 owoso ebi enya fe ebi tu nso nyame ebi nso Nyankopon tokwata konya so a oni nyame bi oso ni ntino ofoso e to wotumi hwe wo dwane nyame a wo hye nase wo dwane Nyankopon a wo hye nase yama babo ne nkasa yen ka chokonko no a yen hwasem bi Malaki yen ko bika chapter 3 Mika chapter 3 verse 9 why osi asem
ye ga fi etiti
Ghana for
eni zo atemufo nyina
atemufo muntie
mu a mu kire atemu
Moi, Obu which are Temu.
Naya Mutia, the Otena Temu.
Madam Joy.
Debbie.
Remember me, Grace, which I will read you. Oh, yeah, my babu Nakasa. Mutia, you are 3 days. Atemu, Natemu. Yachiano. Namu at the Mudia, Yajik, say Papa was a car. And you know, Uno being as a no scars, whoa, wow, deal with you, whoa. Maybe do. My chance of me, no, Minam Catcher. No, my daughter, Minam Catcher. Oh, Wakra, I'm Panso.
With them home. With them.
You're my high down. Or sit with Jetty Bissika. And the boy time, and the boy be a time. Mumu so forced to check it. Yes, come on, so forced to swap you, preaching, so man who could have also to your audio consultation fee. And what they forced to discuss and come. Then I'm joy. Debbie. Next one, man, and you're so as I said, me chair so can I never put on me travel so can I? Also, bet Triasoka. Men I'm joy. Debbie. And tell them when my own found windy. Or what you see. Kai. A Jawa Juala. Or what to tell William Catcher. Would you? Yama Babu and Casa. Yama get your Congo Kanya. Sansani Yamid the Papa Isaac 99. Isaac 99. Isaac chapter 9. 9 verse 9. Verse 9. I was even Gaza. Yet here a reading Uncle Pong Assam. Or see, I know catch them say. Is there any coffee among your Socasia power? Oh, my young, how can see a power? It be more mine and so essay. Every say, Mother Ayas Soma, Mother Ayas in Cophobia, almost Pembusua, almost once and one move. Until the Tiasan woman. As some any Danny, so I chronima, I assume be day, any Danny. Assume be any Danny. I Danny Danny, and you know. And that's why you chronima, and I your man. What can I say? Go put the time on us. How much do you know? How much you think I go put the child free? Every day, I just why they no, you need free so on you free so da. Oh man, and this one, I don't know. I had to be home about me, home about Baba Poma, be the pattern, be the pattern. Yamasing correct. I said, you can't promise. Proverbs 17:23. Hey, Nebusam, a tribune so the Chemo Donomiansa. Verse 17. How could you hear me that do the Tizet as an about 23? I don't forget Yakopas. Was it Obania for? So Obania for? Or J. Yedi Africa, J. Yedi Fukuam. So Obadani Atemo Dania Temo Quani. Tidania Kiesi Yakobuatasam, Yakobuasam Tai. Obi coffee all on tack. Agent. Oh, we minimum, make me a good fee, minimum. Come what's up on here for? Or Jay difficult. So, but I near tell any quine. Wow, now in India, ye be some question be what? Ye be some question be. Yanko Daniel chapter 5, verse 9. You hear the Bible can Daniel chapter 5. Daniel. Who did tell some Bible can you have been verse 9? I can't get a right now. What's it? I know you better say when you are the cassie. Nenny at Danae. Bessels I need Danae. Now, but Pono so at the young for mine, Nanya break quite. Vest Matano, Bob say, or he not bring points 70 the Bessels or how common or him and ever upon to us, and on him and the bar upon to us, or him and the boy say, or him and the bed upon to us, and as more kind of say, or young Quada, am I wondering how you have to wait. I'm only so and when so angry day and how if it's a day you but maybe what you maybe what he or one man when you go fire and ma in Jebenabi you will be a man if you but some perform Unchuamonka and you're from the Sebayo. Was it you were begging me be a Yamu, Kunku, I am the man, you now what a blessing, now what a blessing, you who knew any tear, any dear, Yansa, and then Yansa. Some people will be no beer, not a media from me, me to miss a media, me, no call, say, me, my lawyer. Na me free lawyer, na me man may judge, me free may chief justice, me free may say, me free may say. Now when free as ye lawyer, ya was start tiji kukuamu adi. I will buntangia, obi popcorn no about with fear be catch yourself, and I may copy 20 years, you may go away. Was a man, you want to sound the cherry your uncle can. Your coach court uncle can. Oka babu no babu kasembi wa. Yan kind chokonkono somewhere be kasembi. Yan kind first Samuel chapter 8 verse 1.
First Samuel chapter 8 verse number 1. Was in Samuel Abakokra.
Samuel Abakokra.
Or the name is Israel so atemfo.
And the name is Israel man so atemfo.
Na bakan edin de Joa.
Na bakan di Joa.
Do akan also di Abia.
And do council di Abia.
Way atemfo Besiba.
And no baby yo mo atemfo wo man.
Nema amfa na kwan so.
Nema amfa ono Samuel na kwan so. Ye be tro Samuel na kwan. Obe tro say we ye obi a we ye judge, we ye lawyer. Now be retire. Asema esa woka. Ube jiro man ni no wa bisa ho nsa. Mo de ye say judge be de bet be jira be kasa ase ni bi. Mako pe de bet na di bi mo. Mo de ye baabo no.
Nema amfa na kwan so.
O say that Samuel man no amfa na kwan so.
Wo mani kodi first wachi.
O mani kodi di achi.
First wachi.
Samuel man be ya temufo no mani kodi mfaso achi.
Wo gigi atemudie.
O mo gigi atemudie.
Adi buntantia.
Gigi atemudie di buntantia.
Yes.
Tintantia wa Ghana. Etu obi e buntantia no de dam. To obi ni 8 years ni entantia. Obi 14 years ni entantia.
Ayasemu.
Obi 11 years ni entantia.
Ayasem.
Obi life in prison ni entantia. Ani ni nyakopon.
Yes.
Do also care Bible na Bible ka sem Ecclesiastes. Say entantia dia te the Bible na Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 8.
Was chapter 5 verse 8.
What's it say?
So whom brother so say
whom she will be so we do to me nanti.
What shall so atemu?
Now we shall be so atemu mum just say wo. Na mo bi kwadam, mo bi kwadam, mo bi kwa ye di obi ewu a.
Now dan train yasamani.
Dan train yasamani.
Man who knew was awesome.
I'm going to know just all your chef. I'm on.
If it's a wow, was awesome.
What's the wow was it now? What's so with your German?
Just so say, oh, so say, you're dying. Oh, I want so bad the boo. I know the poor thing.
Madam Chogubabu, near pretty press. I didn't hear my Babwakasa. Yes, yes, somewhere that can send me a chance. We are judge. Now, who will retire? Who be afraid that's why? The answer will trouble be testimony. Who you want to throw mine? Not be so mine. Never so be better be said. And I went to this year. You best one. First Samuel chapter 12, verse 1 to 5. First Samuel chapter 12. Bible Nankasa. Verse 1 to 5. You know the topic in the bio. Yes. Get some. Someone catch Israel for you. Say, was it somewhere? I catch Israel for you. Say, me dear, but see me, my dimuso. Said you catch me now. Said you catch me now. Moka James means you are here, Mamma. Moka catches in your hand, Monsieur Mamma. Now fair, or you know Bedimuson, or you know Bedimuson. Oh no, woman, no, I bet Dimuso. Now, me somewhere, my bark, my fruit, my manso, almost now, me somewhere, be free more phrase, and I'm in Antim, and we are there. Ebu matebu hallelujah onanti omanim ebu matai di mo frase onanti omanim ebu atai ade bedu na dey ano di ebu atai ya jeja ade bedu na ya o so di da so yi enti she minie owie no nyini a asabi ni no so do pega nsa minie o se minie enamuni madan so urade mu the whole country obi a hwe me Samuel why na nchie na maje pen why na maje na nchie Hana imagine from a pen. Why imagine a punch?
Not just an uncle for you.
Uncle for you.
On one view.
Daddy, what did you do to Manaka? What do you hear me to say? Say, do I judge you the preference? Judge you bet me, meaning penny for the baby. A bit showing me, papa. A bit showing me. If I send by Oka. I said, Oka, only tip on a dozen. I cut up a papa for us. Casanyango was a high imagine from a pen. Why imagine it dying? Why not make the name of pen? We catch you upon change or send you this God. Your name will go to Accra.
I mean, no other part.
Your name will go to Accra. Was why imagine upon change? I imagine from a pen. Why imagine the name of pen? I am made in a mimo pen. Why not made in a mimo pen? Brother, me a judge. Why not me saying so? Why not me saying so? Why not me did what I did? Why not me did what them with dear and son of me a day? Me what time? What's it? I am didn't want them with the one is some of the people at and was so say, and no money in our catcher somewhere say, when you had them with the whole country, I catch somewhere. 1 year, what them with you? 1 year from 1 year punching. 1 year, 1 year, Gabian free and once I soda and one shay and soda. 1 year, you will be another. When yes, I am a woman would be other. I no catch on say, I no catch on say, and I rather dancing, and you know, you me dancing. I come me sorry, see, me sorry, so war, till near castle.
when you can say,
I don't mean now, money you can say.
Any Abradinian dancing,
I'm Abradinian dancing and pat. No, that day, on your day, on show so.
Yes.
Yeah, give me power up the corridor, on shore, I'm not a person. So being reply now.
On cabby.
So being replying, say, upon Jimmy Bow.
Don't miss a mistake in cry.
Well, perform what the engineer.
Oh, yeah, why mistake? And yet, can you cover John?
I have some more. I have some more. Now he falls now. Lawyers. Lawyer. Okay, Baba, can't much lower. I'm getting it. Or child lawyer, where you say when you judge man, what you mean? Yanko Proverbs chapter 31, verse 8 to 9.
Proverbs chapter 31, verse 8. Was it with a Biwanoma emum? Or so we a lawyer who could be a one emum? And you saw your mumu or when you're small day on Casa. And I could be one man quite over the Biwanoma on a Yajaman Savina. Not some no one. Oh, it will now be cool now. Who could you know what German dinner some day? Aman. Biwan in a boat and training. You are one in a boat and training. Nothing more, brother. You some man. And come, question for the be. Yafa quotation back on one year. Proverbs chapter 24, verse 11. Proverbs chapter 24, 11. Verse 11. Yet a radius. Also, make us say, Jewana, what you want call a woman here, chew be a woman to a lawyer who could just any panel officer woman. Cases be below one more lawyers be at home when some yard, you want to what's one say on the press. Ah, to be okay, some of these are quite the case no bit or deep him. But on him casa or to be just no to be sorry me going to be paying me check me maybe sorry you know or demand free young man well on casa o grow ye be bugu so nyi wi ase one o to ekum fa so so to wani hwe ena wi ase tamu a na so ba de de o de ba no a oni pa be gina mu sai ni ni pa be gina mu sai ni one who told a cum constant 10 times. One more to a cum constant 10 times. I bring just say, why, yes, just one wood 1 year home. What do you say? Time? Una ube sanka lawyer, una ube sanka send panel. If you say, already young couple, oh no, 2 penny yours, oh no, 20 penny yesuka. Yes. As a man, what you? Oh no, 20 penny yesuka. Young calculation, you anything in here. Yamati from Bramble, Yama Babon and Kasawa. Yanko, Proverbs 17:15. Proverbs 17, verse 15. Verse 15. Oh, the Patrick Jaho, Nakai, quotation 1 Kings chapter 3, verse 16. 1 Kings chapter 3. Aye. Verse 16. Verse 16. Yeti Abraham be a fear about Solomon Atemu. Abredemono. A major man for Ben, a major man for me, Omba or Henry Solomon Jay. And I when you ready some more, you should teach someone in your Buntangia. Shop and you come watch Benimuna, no already papa, young Cono. Obe butango so be butango so kan ba boni ango omba be jira ohinani oba ku kan se asebe piefi ba kware ne se miwura nana me pa chaw me ne obey na tifie me wo oba e wo difie me wo oba wo fie nya na tifie ba ku e ba se me wuro e chiri me wo ye no a ne na sa so be na sa sister we e no obey so wo ye yenya ye wo fie ba ku owo bi enka ye ma tu pa no ye kwani wo fie wono oba we ne bewu anajo efriso dan so ebiso no prekodan so osoro de so me be fa me ba no ana na ne ma mi ye fast the fa me ba na onwu ye no eno ode de ba de ebe to me nchen ba wa wu no ba to me so me sori anopa no semi ma me ba nufuo me ba nufuo hwe ne wawu no me hwe ne wawu kwai eti me fefe me ba no eti me pusu akwala no a ena hwe na nya me ba me wu no mu na nya me ba na mi ankasa me wu no ni nyami bana obaba ko ka cheme se ana obaba ko ka cheme se dabi me ba no di kanfo no me ba no di kanfo di onwu ya no oba ko se me ba no wufo no ana ba ko se wo mo ba no wufo no oyesu dabi oba no wufo no se na yes thing oba no wufo no oba no di kanfo no oba no wewu no oba so oba no onwu ya no si sa no mo ye wa yinfio verse 24 and ohile kan se Solomon tie garo so di sa onu nyankopon wo hye no odi nyamisuro nyankopon wo so tie Bible kai mo me na me klante ano se abrafo wai mo fa se kamera me what in klante ne bro no me se kamera King Solomon ano kan se yes Solomon ni nyansa Bible bi na me ene me ne chiro no
ni tena temu obu ni bini why
ano kan say moncha obedi kanfo no mo mienu
aya so bi asa de bali de onwu ye ana sa de tadia mon fa se kan na mo nyeda yi
moncha ni kanfo no mienu mon fa fama ba ko fama ba ko
ma we fa
eno oba ye de bano de kanfo
na do wa bada ye no timi sa akwala we firi ye furu mu no adi bi ka kotu no so na kotu so na
mi wura mi pa o chaw
mi saw
mon fa obedi kanfo ne ma no
aya o se ne dia mon fa ma
ekum de mamun ku
onim se ne banti mamun ku no
eno okro no so se
ba ku no jenche nya ne ba no
o se e ma na nya dia
o do se oboa nana ye nyina nya dia ye nyina nya dia
etimu chani mu
na so na wo na ka be ga sa se mu chani mu
ohini bu asai
so mo ti odi ohedi no se maami nti sa wo papa ka be ga se ye chani mu no ase be piefi na no ne se
mo fa obedi kanfo
akwala no onwu ye no
mo fa ma do di kai o kasa ye
ma no di kai no kasa se me ye nku no
ekum de mo nku no
mamu nku akwala no e bi se timi mu se ne ba
Isa fo nyina ti aten ya wo
Isa fo nyina ti aten no asolo ma abu no
wo suro hina ni
o mu suro hina ni
efrise
e bi se o mu hunu se
onyankopon nyansa woni
enti judge bi wa ye bu atani na ba news mu a wo tia den o ma ne ye man ti bi ka se we die enya no me sure bible enya ya ma bible nkasa
yes
na nyankwada dia tifo ode ya apostle pension
mate
pension na anodene enyo ampanyo takrebi dienti watensa asaba kwa apostle kameni ajeje ko bi body baako like you try if one man nobody for what and when you am ya fro nobody for what da sure what you be di apostle kwa juma not in Kenya 7 days 7 Church of Christ I wish anya one apostle and a pay me din komoi enti e dey bush so be me from me let me any come up sister wadrin papa 0302 248787 0302 248787 back come here 0302 257901 257901 from me any come on hello Abrantian obomnyum hello Ampacho ma radio no kofuka kwaya bishia dumuno yo
hello
papa kasa Ampacho force no kasa abodise awoshi yamo nkofuka kakra kasa
yo aja ye de bien con otofu kasa si bien kan papa no kura wo kanti didi nende rambe masori ya misi wabanko dia esibitio ke previous year timu intenchia obi asamu komponi oni hu fonso so esanse o kana kurinti ebe buru nchenkele da ko tu prison eyi fa ne tika asemi eviasi ye di nasi ko yi ye ne meni kure enye duma na sam kiti obi ye won problem so du esu ye ifisi obi na ko tu bam eji o me dey see so for we dey which one ma you see obi ya me ye kure mo ni pa unanwa wo say yes wo left and right ni ku po shiro ko so sara yes bi ye ready to get it you me da say
yo about you say I wish not in canon hello
engineer
papa tizano pay
boko na so engineer mo amani
ya mi adumi hu ya mama sport him yo mananko
engineer
ya mama
afi ne na mehu say intina we judge for me ne na mehu so mu intino mu ni communion no
saam
me no mu kwasole ama hwa ilu super no badwane
na oni san eko
me wo lawyers obefo no ma asole e dusi e be di communion pe no badwane
e bi su di o
ebi su di but which say matamu ya time to do super no ma feda na chi
utamenye
that say me hu say no so for ne chechem ni die and then the man who be clear
go di me no nchire no
behu se engineer se be bonina mudi no se la wonya ma de so mo sakra no mu ane do mbehu se atembu obi wo iti e so mo se ma adwen na se nipa na se be se edu se bi e to potem aba omukoma blibe no
assembly for
omu nyina mutu omufo omutu omufo because atembu wo ho no wo ye wa adwen se ane ye hiafo no wo babedi so na che se potem no ye diskema se fa ye bibia na wache no wadi na hu se atemu wo ho no se be ye de anokora boka bibia ye bedi wachi ti na so di se nipa no so hwe hu bi na bo enya ne da achi nya engineer oni nyame nya djuma
amoma heda say hello eja machine
yeah papa what to say
emi abdum hu ye but ye first kasa prohini
yepa me jo kasa pia me here
jo manonkoi
yeah papa ya me shira mo ostofo ya me nkan o ma ne nkwa anwoden ni yi na nkoso wu
amen
na sadia ne nchechete no e babu aye papa asema papa bakai wo amfibia besen koso hu kwan ya that time na wo yanya kwan kasi ka bobi ma me pemfo na ne ba private man papa no wosika oni pa ba ko pe no hu enye papa ite ma me do so bi su gire kire hu okoma ni pe no hu no ye ni sika oni pa ko no ni ni nia ne tisu hu mo no ama ka asemi tum na ma me opemfo na ne ba ni wu ye ko fa ni nia no wo su hu mo ba no I think papa was on the car born. And yet, take the phone call. And then you will find say, lawyer phone call. Jenny and Cassasuya can be. Because a Jenny, you begin tea. You told you near Jessica. If I said, walk a cup of your one sem at your manager, near Unity. No one about show. Eye bia intention e bia no no enti yin na la yesu ya
yo
woni am ye adwuma
amen jo amen sha hello eje
mama chewo chifu
yo mama jisu
chame mama nkofo mama obo india engineer bia me shada kwatra obo india ko ti befutu wasi yanko pompo ni na na afase mosaka e bopo ni pa enu ho ye ko si nye e koto ngo so dem na e ko
bia
mia politicians and tem ame ema and tem ni ma bibi o ate bon man makura o himi atabi tami ma wina e ko so tindem de bia maka Saka sofo that is a point of mine. And about being the Kusia Mania to say. And they come across the passing of Kupatin to Homa. And Catania no Naka, get to be the engineer, one Captain Mitchell. This is a kind of having a city depend on drama and console. Ukumasia, Utu Foshe and Ra, among food.
Be a disu.
That's just I am for money, you put to me. And I saw from shooting the catcher, I saw nothing. Yeah, Baby, I quite simply depending on this baby. And then I saw for looking about Monka after the pottery and she said by initial. Yeah, but maybe a call, maybe the jam call. I say, I think our home, and I have the most one of the tempting show. And think the back place and the quiet with you. You know, you young place, you will be bidden. Yeah, it's a second kind of limitation. What say? To picture assassination for true. I want to listen to the Gopo. It's the BA, the Gopo. It's the BA, you have to move what I. Yep, when they could I get you. We are papa so in your kitchen. You're papa. You kind of person.
Eje, emi sure.
Amen.
Eje da suma. Yen for the kettle kra na yen so na ojin so ache. Hello.
Hello.
Eje machine.
Miki. Engineer.
Eje.
Ejuma.
Ejuma da si. Ye first kasa for me.
Any fashion mo wa mai.
But ana kasa yi.
So ejuma. Ya mi kira. engineer Edio.
But okay, so for first thing.
Get him when he was of Uncle
General Barry, you, and
Edio.
Not chat for.
I see we are saying. Yeah, but and so still. And young Brantia, now no office more Kunu Kakrama, who are Pemua,
Branas,
but the Janet for the baby.
Uncle Nas.
Nas was saying, when they do Numukakra,
Obesenum Jay.
I may move to Kakra. Obesen can very seriously. Too much. And your principal is to become. I'm going to break out. I want to show this as you move. We are here, your mouth was to assistant Crata could have baby bra. I can say, oh, what I'm glad to eat. That would them. When you know more. There's some media, you young some try. Is that actually? Young opponent put the move workers out in a judge who move what day. You influence. And you. And some every some what ye can and no idea, and no crime, remember point when see Bremen so women coffee remember. Achimota, travel at your hay. Now, I crack me a light yaso. You know, Jimwan is so green as young quay, and a yellow. Ah, Yakoya, you come. You came one, Marco. I feel the obesity bet you, Richard, with your slow approach at me. Ah, was watching me. I didn't have some light national red and became so cratchy. Obi to make you a bow. Intimate Jameson. Obi to make you a woman and to one channel, moons on walk on. So catch what time? Police is on the market of time. What time? There's no one would make you walk. Now one can watch me. Time or time. Oh, Simeon Court. And the apostle Magas what I'm coaching me. Make any bottom. Obi odi be chikra no wo ba you now me am dey kan watch me was my favorite enye wutunya asa wo asem ye kan na wutunya wo Yakobon bresa asem hey ya me obro afosi dey do dey am so betuya funa
engineer
aka che yakọ
e wo ba bia se dey kan e wo ba bia
o ba bia wo
oh se dey kan
e wo nsori
ye nyane so na antimagi so e memetwa so nyini ahwe you can quotation ya wudi asem we Deuteronomy 1:16 asem wudi tia
Deuteronomy chapter 1
verse 16
verse 16 ose
den
me na me hye atemufo na emra
ko se ono hye emra ne mumudi ma atemufo so munyina so mbem waten
se muntie mu nua na montem nsem
se omuntie ono Nyankopon no se omuntie omunnua no ntese me ni obi anya asem omuntie ye mienu ntam asem bumu
atentre ne mu nipa
atentre ni no ontie mu ye se no wabu atentre ni no
mu atentre mu nipa
omumu atentre ni manipa
eni ni nuya
udeti enyina ti udeti we ni nuya no kwai
eni hoho ntam asem
koso e monhye
edipanim atemmo mu
mum ye nhwe nipanim e watem udeti asem no ha
muntie enketwa se akase
yentin kitwa so e kitwa mpo onisika oye henia na se ma dadima na papa
munso nipanim efrise otemufo no onu ni Nyankopon asem ni moduo nyini ahwe yesa bia yesa bi Bible kan Proverbs 24 verse 23 Proverbs 24
verse 23
verse 23
Bible says
osi yesu ne eyo nyansafo dia
osi we ye nyansafo asem kwai
atemu ani mu hwe nya de osobo ne fo se
otene no witini kesi obi di boye ni obu ni bem no
se otene no
wo so ni pa no
aman be
tome nti asem nya toja o Ghana memu Ghana fo we die enti ye dia no Kenya na eye kesma
amanaman su be
chiru Yakobon aka na na mchogu Bible nya printing press to the last quotation yankore Luke chapter 3 verse 12
Luke chapter 3
jeni mo kasa no asa police for bi kan omo so kan bi obi on the statement kan yo no tworo onim tworo asa no kan se police ni tawan se ma wo ya wo kan yo no tworo afa be du kwata ye be kan se muti sa asa be nyami anya masem ni wo de kasa nyenko
Luke 3 verse 12
aso dan
tojefo so bai se yesu mo
tojefo ba se ye mo wansu
eno mo ka kire ne se kyerefo eden ne yenye yesu ka kire wo se
mo
mo nye nchen de we twa to
no and your tax collectors there no quite
asrafo so busa say
asrafo so baby say
yes yanya dan eno ka che munyo obi he munyo obi he Neso muntutu obi anu kwa muntutu obi munchenyi obi anu asem entutu na no ena wo asem wo boye wa entutu obi anu kwa ayamu mama katua so mani o wa katua so mani ngeden enso mani so ni pe ma
anye kokko na gie kokko no
anu adi o
anyo
ono do kokko to na ko
wonderful
peskutu very dangerous so nyame amfani sak adwuma bi obi aye bia nyakopon se yemfa nyame so nya dan so bia di nyame so be ya adwuma no adwuma de be kototin
yes
Everybody show my Ghana.
Amen.
No man some game Ghana.
Amen.
No be who ni enti Onyankopon frɛ no. So man adwuma. O we na Onyankopon frɛ wa adwuma no don't force yourself.
There be
to call.
Enkonkoye.
There be.
Yes, I ube default.
Yes.
Let us say.
Yo, apostle obi so frɛ na
me na mani 0242327172 0242327172 but nya sa frɛ 02072113337 02072113337 Dia me kasa me line no enye prayer line se bia me gina o tie preaching na wa sori bi ben wa betimi akọ o person ye twan branch so de doso ha nye phenomenon so form so dae na ma ye we check on
aso da afa
no bia ko fa na sori masam no de ba na me so for da bi me kasa ni ma no
ena ma mo gina so di yi o mu no so wona waso da ye apostle bi so ayi o pese Facebook o Facebook no bi o fa na ka o so ye nanka Facebook
Apostle OKOH AGYEMANG
eno Apostle OKOH AGYEMANG no wa search ho yo adama asida yo dia yo Apostle yo dia e medo wase
ready switch house
na mi adoma
any topic abri also so dey back
the sense ne foforo ba
Mati yes ready so about o me ya adwum na o ma ho quotation sun ni yes
nyamba ye amen Apostle OKOH AGYEMANG na otin nkan 7 days Sabbath Church of Christ awoshi anya bebia Ghana bebia wo ho akasa bodu international we nya international we local na nkofo bi wo krom ha na so bia international okodo kutugo kura kwa kan we kwa international utukwaya no bi kwahie wo ha kan samba kwa si aso ne international na so bia international anya hwe amani nyina mo nyini etwebe no so a international phone and apostle na wotin nkan Apostle OKOH AGYEMANG wo pese ofre no mo na frɛ no 0242 327172 0242327172 bakwa kan ye 0207 211 337 211 337 Apostle OKOH AGYEMANG and out in kan me adumwa me Yesu amba na Sunday person shebie oh haya bidia no kwese ni engineer akwapa no kwafo na producer Kofi Sami Apostle from Insua 020 813 7829 020 813 7829 akura eating komo kakra so de dawo elemeni ajiu Apostle akasa papa enyo biasi nyina na ohwero kra faso pen na banya oh ya mi ra ho biasi ye beja ho ya bana yankwanka o mabida ede ne ya obakomo biaba ti yenhwe yi pa